CTM stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Observing Castellum stock, it's 84 cents, 16% up. As I'm observing this puppy, this is how my chart looks like. So we started breaking structure out, which is cool, and I'll get that in a second. But after that bigger retracement, we're at least filling in a gap. Context, I have done 35,000 videos, documented my journey over the last 4 years. Through a lot of trial and error, you know, I've had thousands of correct predictions, documented everything. With CTM, started to pick up, like when I made a video, like we were sitting at 41 cents and it went as high as 565%. It's totally normal for the price to start retracing down, you know, that's part of the game. This is why I mentioned that if it shows me signs that it wants to go up by actually giving me a proper double break, then and only then I will take things up. And this is still what I stand for. Like, unless the rules are met, I really wouldn't care and give 2 F's about it. But since now we're here, that's the only thing that I care. If there is a break above it, then and only then I'm taking things up. What happens if we break the low first? Then I'm going to keep you updated, but it's not necessarily going to be a buy no more. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.